In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a passkey on Binance. Whether you're trying to tighten up your security or simply streamline the management of your account, removing unnecessary passkeys can be a prudent step. Let's walk through the simple process together. First, you'll need to log in to your Binance account. Start by opening the Binance app on your mobile device or accessing the website through your preferred browser. Enter your credentials, ensuring your information is accurate and secure. It's always a good idea to keep your login details confidential to protect your account. Once you've successfully logged in, navigate to the security settings of your account. If you're using the mobile app, tap on your profile icon, which you'll find in the top left corner of the screen. This will open a menu. From there, scroll down and select the security option. If you're using the Binance website, hover your cursor over your profile icon located in the top right corner of the web page. A drop-down menu will appear, and you'll need to choose the Account option, followed by Security. These steps will direct you to the right place where you can manage your passkeys. Now that you're in the Security section, the next step is to access passkey management. Look for the two-factor authentication section, a vital part of your account's security framework. Within this area, you should find an option labeled Passkeys. To proceed, click on the Manage button next to it. This will take you to a new page where all of your registered passkeys are listed. Here, you'll be able to see a complete list of the passkeys associated with your account. Locate the specific passkey that you wish to delete. Once you've found it, look for a small icon resembling a trash can situated next to the passkey entry. This icon represents the delete function. By clicking on this trash can icon, you'll initiate the process to remove the passkey from your account. After clicking the delete icon, a prompt will appear on your screen. This serves as a confirmation step to ensure you truly want to proceed with deleting the chosen passkey. This is a safeguard to prevent accidental deletions. To finalize the removal, you'll need to verify your choice by carefully following the on-screen instructions provided in the prompt. This may involve entering additional verification codes or confirming your intention through a simple click. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully deleted a passkey from your Binance account. Removing unused passkeys not only simplifies your account management, but also enhances your security by reducing potential vulnerabilities. Remember, keeping your account secure is an ongoing process, so regularly review and update your security settings as necessary. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in managing your Binance account security.